Welcome to the tutorial on the general uses for the Dulux Color add-in for Revit. The Dulux Color add-in is located in the Add-ins tab at the top of the screen. The Dulux Color add-in includes over 7,000 Dulux materials and is very easy to use and navigate. The add-in has unique versions for Australia and New Zealand. The material range and data has been modified for these regions. The layout of Dulux colors in the add-in matches the online Dulux Color Atlas. Settings window. There is a settings window that provides additional information about the add-in and allows you to add a prefix and suffix to material names prior to loading them into your Revit project. This allows you to conform to your Office standard material naming conventions. BIM managers can also deploy a settings JSON file as part of the installation process. You will also be able to find a link to the Dulux website and email address to provide feedback on the Dulux Color add-in for Revit. Ranges. The Dulux Color add-in contains both the Dulux World of Color and Dulux Colors of New Zealand paint ranges and product ranges from Dulux powder coatings, protective coatings, Acrytex and Intergrain timber finishes. Navigation methods. The Dulux Color add-in is easily maneuverable and can be minimized to save space on your screen. There are 5 different ways to find the color or product that you may wish to use in your next project. The first is by searching for a specific color or product using the search box. You can search via the name or by the code. The second way is to browse the add-in. Scrolling through color and product ranges is easy. Flick through one column at a time or through entire pages in a single click. You can also scroll with your mouse wheel for quick movement through the add-in. The product range tabs have filters at the top. Click the logo to easily filter down to that range. In order to go back to the complete range, simply click the same logo again. For paints, you can also browse via Dulux color groups. These groups feature highlighted color sections. Lastly, to find your desired paint color, you can use the color wheel. This quickly scrolls through hues in a simple and effective way. My Palettes. There is also the My Palette tab, which allows you to save colors in an easy-to-use directory. Simply right-click on the color or product you wish to save and select Save to My Palette. Select which folder you want the color or product to go into and you're done. It is now in your My Palette tab for quick and easy reference. New palettes can be created on the fly by clicking the Add New Palette option. Alternatively, use the Add button on the My Palette tab, name the palette, and you're ready to fill it with lots of Dulux colors and products. You can add, move and delete colors and palettes throughout your My Palette tab as you wish. These palettes can also be exported and imported for sharing with your team. In the My Palette tab, right-click and select Export Selected or Export All. To import a palette, right-click and select Import Palette. Info panel and functions. The Dulux Color add-in allows you to view a brief overview of each color or product by selecting the swatch. You can copy the information to your clipboard and paste it in a document or email to send to clients or colleagues. You can also copy the hex code of the color for an easy way to paste a single value into applications, such as Photoshop. The selected material can be loaded into the current project using the Save to Revit feature. Alternatively, the Paint in Revit command adds the material to your current project and activates the Paint tool for quick and easy painting of your elements. This tool can also be used in the Family Editor and on split faces. Material settings and info. Dulux materials contain information applicable to that color or product, such as a description, classification, LRV value, model number, and a hyperlink. This information can be included in project material schedules. The hyperlink leads to the specific color or product on the Dulux website. From here, you can order a sample that can be sent to your home or office. Materials represent with a color and surface pattern in shaded views. Some appearance settings use image maps for visualization and rendering. These are automatically downloaded as the material is used. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little more about the Dulux Color add-in for Revit. We hope you find this to be a valuable tool for adding Dulux products within Revit. Dulux BIM Solutions, inspiring creativity.